directly to the chief or assistant chief. That's why we have a system called the chain of command. If you have any issues you are facing, you don't need to go directly to the chief or DFG. If you notice some issues, follow the chain of command and ask a badge officer. If a badge officer has some issues, follow the chain of command and ask for help from vested officer. If the problem exceeds what a vested officer can handle, the vested officer will take it up to supervisor or HRTO, HFTO. If none of these officers are online, you can take it to the supervising FTO or PO. Keep the chain of command going until it reaches the MGs, Lieutenant, GS, CGS, and the chief, and his assistants. Anything beyond the chief will be directed to the function admin. And we have list of chain of command. We have three violations. Okay. We have criminal violation, civil violation, administration violation. We can charge 1.11 and 1.12 because automatically charged by state. We can arrest if we are rank 2. Rank, rank 5, sir. Criminal violation, sir. Civil violation. Administration violation.